Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So guys, first sentence is all worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. ऊंचे लोगों को सब सलाम करते हैं. Second, I know what's wrong and what's right. I know what's wrong and what's right. मैं जानता हूँ सही क्या है और गलत क्या है. 3. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. 4. I'll be back at 6 night. I'll be back at 6 night. मैं रात को 6 बजे वापस आऊँगा. 5. I've made the call. I've made the call. मैंने फ़ोन कर लिया है. 6. My stomach is growling. My stomach is growling. मेरा पेट गुड़ कर रहा है. 7. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. कपड़े सुखा दो. 8. I wanna do it myself. I wanna do it myself. मैं इसे खुद करना चाहता हूँ. 9. You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. जल्दबाजी में तुम हमेशा भूल जाते हो. The last one is 10. You do anything I don't care. You do anything I don't care. तुम कुछ भी करो मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. These were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.